I'm Marshall from Aleon, and we're here at NAB 2022. And Aleon is a multiple luggage and equipment case company. We do aluminum and ABS plastic for different applications. And no matter what your use is or your need for a case, we have a case for you. So now we're going to take a closer look at what Aleon produces. We start with our lightweight transport cases. We make these in multiple sizes to fit almost any application. If you're transporting product, this is the case for you. We also do custom inserts, so you can fit anything into the case, and we do it from top to bottom and make it easy for you. We deliver you a finished case ready to install your products. The next thing we do is a more heavy-duty stacking cases. These are heavier weight aluminum. They're made for more fragile products inside. They are a little bit heavier. Also, again, made in multiple sizes, multiple configurations. And again, we can do inserts, custom inserts to fit your needs. From there, we go to more traditional equipment cases. And we go from small cases, like you see here, a very small aluminum case. As a matter of fact, we have a client who's looking at a case like this for microphones, just as an example, but we can do a case for any application. Here we have a drone case that is designed to hold the drone, and as you can see. And then we go to a larger variety of cases, such as a case like this. This is for a very large camera lens for a photographer. And as you can see, the way the custom foam is made, the type of foam and the size of the case are done or configured and calculated based on the type of product that's going in the case. And again, we do these in multiple sizes. From there, we have specialty cases. These are cases designed for specific needs. For example, there are two sizes of trunk cases. So you have the smaller size and the larger size. In addition to that, we also do very large lighting cases. These generally speaking are for lighting. And here we have an aluminum backpack. And the idea here, we make this in two sizes, is it can be used for personal use, or we have configured it again as an equipment case for a photographer. And it also has a place for your tablet or laptop, as well as accessories. These are the newest addition to what we do. This is our rack cases. These are designed, this is what we call our heavy-duty cases. This is also aluminum, welded construction, and it is ultra heavy-duty. They come with end caps that fit over both ends. This is a physical mount for components, and this particular one, these are 4-unit cases. So you have fixed mount, and then you have the shock cases where they are shock absorbers in the case, so that if it's very sensitive units you're putting in there, they're protected. They're protected all around and shocked. We also do something unique with a pull-out drawer. We can make these cases with an entirely pull-out unit also. And next is our additional specialty cases. We do a very unique pilot case that is a two-wheel case because for a pilot, you don't want the case to roll. So on 4 wheels it would roll. And we did this as a split case so it fits right between the seats in a commercial airline. You have a place for a computer and all their documents and everything they have. We also do a version, a 4-wheel, larger version. This particular one is fitted for wine. Now we go to our luggage. Aleon was created in 2015. We launched our luggage, which was our first entree into the business, in 2016. We've been in the luggage business beginning, and that's what led us into the equipment case business. One of the things we do in luggage is we have unique interiors. This particular case is what we call a suitor. It has a garment sleeve in the lid and our compression system here. And the compression system is designed to keep your clothes fixed in location. It's tied down by elastic straps that hold everything securely. And we do luggage in 4 sizes. We do an international carry-on. We do what's called a domestic carry-on, which is slightly larger, but still able to be carried on. We also do a medium-size check-in unit, a large check-in unit, and a jumbo check-in unit. In addition to that, we do a trunk, which is a 30-inch trunk. In the luggage end of the business, we also do business cases. All of our smaller pieces all have over-the-handle straps. They can be carried hands-free. So here we are at our plastic cases. This is the traditional type of case in the equipment industry. These cases are waterproof, they're dustproof, and they have rubber seals so that they're totally secure. They have a vent here that allows you to open the case because once it's closed, the suction makes it difficult to open. So this valve, pressure relief valve, allows that to happen. We do plastic cases in a variety of sizes, with wheels, without wheels. This is for the more budget-conscious user, whereas aluminum is more for the upper level, where appearance matters and presentation matters. For more information, visit our website, aleoncase.com.